Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 8 of Jingle Lills. Today's video is going to be a project share of what your prize will be for today. When I did my series, you guys, or when I was planning it, I knew that I wanted to incorporate an advent calendar, which is what I did a few days ago, and of course an embellishment box, which is what we have here today. And I am super excited and I hope you guys are excited to win this. I decorated the cover and this is what it looks like, you guys. I did some little enamel dots. I used some candy cane paper from the Holly Jolly collection, and this is Holly Jolly from Pebbles Ephemera. I have a cute little rosette here, so it's not like overly decorated, but I still think it looks super cute. Santa looks super excited, and I want to show you guys what's inside. So when you open it up, it has like this little compartment on the top, as you guys may see right here, and it's so cute. It's just like a little drawer that goes right on top, just like that. And in here I have put, all right, let me see, being that I'm so close up I can actually sit down, I decided to add some little snowflakes. So we have, there's a little white one in there, I have a red one and a green one. There's 2 little pom-poms, and then we have some gumdrops, little foam stickers, super cute. Then we have like snowflakes, little felt Christmas tree buttons, a little wooden Christmas tree, a little wooden snowflake. In here we have just a little variety of stuff. There's like a little butterfly, one of the little snow globe charms. There's another little charm that says love. We have some little gemmies, a little green flower, some more little gemmies from like AliExpress, and then there's more right there. So that's what we have in this little compartment. Just some little fun goodies. In here I have, oh, there's a little pom-pom that doesn't go there. There's just 2 little Christmas clips, which I'll show you guys. This one says Merry Christmas, and then this one is just a candy cane print. This little fella doesn't want to leave, so I have those 2 right here. In here there's 2 little Christmas charms. So we have the little star and then one of those little gingerbread guys, so cute. And then we have some pom-poms and some gold balls right here, and that is everything that is in this little compartment. And then of course I'm gifting a cute little bottle brush little tree. And then here you see the 3 other compartments. So the center right here is filled with a bunch of wooden veneers, which I got a whole pack from, what is this, In Love Art Shop. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. Some of these are from Target, some of them I had in my stash. So we have a whole drawer filled with wooden veneers, Christmas theme of course. And then in this little compartment there's just a bunch of the little foamies from Michael's that I recently hauled. And then on this side it's just a variety of things. There's a little star, another little foamy, this cute little Christmas tree ornament, we have a stocking, and then just like a bunch, oh, this little pom-poms don't go here. I guess it moves around from when, purple does not belong there. And then we have a bunch of snowflakes and trees, just a variety, just little fun things to decorate your Christmas projects. And that's what I put in here, you guys. And then you put your little drawer right back on top, and I love the way the little bottle brush tree just fit perfectly right there. And then you close it up, and that is your little embellishment box, and that's your prize for today, you guys. So if you want to be entered to win this cute little embellishment box, leave a comment down below saying enter me, and you will be entered to win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for day, is it, what did I say, today's day 7? No, day 8. I'm confused. Day 9, I guess, is next. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm all over the place. Stay tuned for day 9. All right, guys. Bye.